guys, these are some of the ingredients that you're going to need for this dish. I've washed all the veggies and now I'm cutting the cucumber and the scallions. Now I'm thinly slicing the sweet pepper and I'm mincing the garlic and ginger. Now in a pot, I'm adding olive oil and diced onions. We're making rice, so if you don't know how to make rice, I will leave the link in the description box below. So I added black pepper and salt. Then when the onions are translucent, I added my washed rice and it wasn't enough, so I added more rice, salt and pepper. So in this rice, I added coconut milk. It's very tasty and coconutty. When it's ready to be covered, I covered it and let it cook on low heat. Now we're making the cucumber salad. I'm adding the rice vinegar, sweet chili sauce, and making sure that they're all nicely coated, and then I will set it aside in the fridge. In a pan, I add olive oil, the sweet peppers, saute them until they're soft to your liking. And this was soft enough for me, so I put it aside. And in the same pan, I add olive oil, the scallions, garlic, and ginger. When it's slightly golden, I add the meat. Yeah, make sure your meat is not frozen so you don't have to struggle like I'm doing. Yeah. So yeah, make sure you break it and get rid of the big chunks. Now I'm adding adobo, roasted garlic and pepper, Italian seasoning and Tabasco sauce, and sofrito, lime juice, soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, and apple juice. Fry it for a little bit until it's cooked, and then add the bell peppers from earlier and cilantro. That is it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. See you guys next time. Ciao.